Well, folks, we come back with the next problem. Problem number 15. It's pretty simple. 15, 16, they're all simple problems. So let's see how we can do it. The problem number 15 says that the total cost in rupees associated with the production of X units of an item is given. The cost is given as a function. Generally, we have always been used to seeing the cost like 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Now here it's given as a function of X, C of X. It's a function of X. Find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. See, the X stands for the units, the number of items that's produced. So when X is 17, you have to find out the marginal cost. The cost function is given to us. Marginal cost is a thing that you get by finding the derivative of the cost. So you just find the derivative, you get the marginal cost, and substitute X as 17, you get the answer. It's only that much. More commerce oriented people, commerce children, they know better, right? So this is how it is. So whenever you're given the cost function, in order to find the derivative, you just find in order to find the marginal cost, we only find the derivative when we do it. So let's get that. The cost function is given as 0.007 x cube minus 0.03 x squared, if it's correct, 0.003 x squared plus 15x plus 4000, nothing at all. We have understood that marginal cost is a derivative of the cost function. It's an MCQ actually, you could get it as an MCQ. That's all, because it's only a matter of finding the derivative. So let's get the derivative. 0.007 as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x squared minus 0.003, derivative of x squared is 2x. 15, derivative of x is 1, and 4000, because it's a constant, derivative is 0. So this is the derivative that you get. Now they have told us that x is 17. So we just have to find that when x equal to 17, let's find the marginal cost. Marginal cost, we have to substitute 17. So 0.007, rather 0.007 into 3, 7 3s are 21. So it's 0.21. Yeah. So it is 17 squared here, and 3 2s are 6. So 0.006 times x, which is 17, and 15. 15 into 1 is 15. So let's go for finding these values. This is 17 squared, we all know it's 289. So 289 into 21. Let's check what comes. 289 into 21. 289, 9 2s are 18, 16, 17, 5. So 9, 16, 10, 6069 with all the decimal places. There are 3 decimal places, so 6.069. You have to do 17 into 6. 17 into 6 for us, 6 7s are 42 and 10, 102. So 102 means it is minus 0.102 plus 15. Let's have this added. So 15 plus 6.069 will be 15 plus 6, it's 21. 0.069 minus 0.102. Let's do the subtraction. 9 minus 2, it is 7, 6. 10 minus 1, it's 9, and 20. 20.967. That's it. That's the required. If it's a bigger question, you should conclude properly. Required marginal cost is rupees 20.967. Of course, if it's coming like an MCQ or something, you don't have to do it. Just have to directly get it done. So that's about it. Quite simple, actually, very simple. So we quickly go to the next question also. Problem number 16, the total revenue that is received from the sale of X units of a product is given by R of X as 13x squared plus 26x plus 15. It's just like the previous question, cost. That was cost, here it's revenue, some income that you're getting. And X is the units, items, number of items. They ask us the marginal. There it was cost, marginal cost, so derivative. Here revenue, marginal revenue, so derivative. It's only that much. So find out the marginal revenue when x is 7. Almost the same. So let's write the function and see how it goes. The problem number 16. The revenue they give us as 13x squared 26x. 13x squared plus 26x plus 15. Just like before, get the derivative and substitute. So r dash x, derivative with respect to x, 13 derivative of x squared, it's 2x, 26 derivative of x is 1, 15 is a number, no derivative, derivative is 0. So let's have it at 7. They have asked, what is it at 7? So 26, 13 to the 26, we all know, x is 7 and 26. We can just multiply, get the answer. You can do whatever way you want. If you want factorizing, 26 is common, take it out. 7 plus 1, 8. So 26 into 8. Either you do it like that or you directly multiply, get the answer. It's one and the same. How much is that? 6 8s are 48, 4 carries. 8 2s are 16, 20. 208 rupees. 208 is the marginal revenue that they are asking when x equal to 7. So the marginal revenue is rupees 208. Yeah, it's rupees 208. That's it. Quite simple, no? Cost, marginal cost, revenue, marginal revenue by finding the derivative. Now we're moving to the problem number 17 and 18. These are MCQs, but MCQs by no chance you should kind of neglect or not do, because generally these MCQs are of good standard. Sometimes you can see that in the board exam they convert these MCQs into bigger questions, vice versa. You can have it both ways. So you should know the working also. At the same time, you should know to do it briskly also, so that you are able to attempt. You have to be very resourceful. You have to be able to do all kinds of problems. So let's take the 17th problem. The rate of change of area of the circle with respect to the radius. It's a circle. Rate of change of area, you have to find r is 6. Now because it's an MCQ, I have told you that we have to really cut short on steps. It's a circle. Area is pi r squared, we all know. So rate of change of area with respect to radius, so dA by dr. Pi as it is, derivative of r squared, 2r with respect to r, so 2 pi r. So required will be at the radius that they have told. At the radius that they have told, the radius is 6. So it is 6 here, 6 2s are 12 pi. Check the option if it is that way or whether the pi is substituted. No, it is as it is. So sometimes they'll substitute pi. So then in that case, you have to check. B is the option. Sometimes pi will be substituted, sometimes 3.14 would be substituted, sometimes 22 upon 7 will be substituted. So you see which is suiting your requirement and then choose the option accordingly. So it's hardly, as I told you, 20 seconds. Such kind of very straightforward problems, you cannot take more than 20 seconds. That risk should be your working. So also we are going to the next question. The total revenue received from the sale of X units is given. Marginal revenue, same thing. I've told you, from revenue to marginal revenue, get the derivative. And the same idea is the same. R is given, get the derivative, substitute and get the answer. So R of X, 3x squared plus 36x plus 5. They give us 3x squared plus 36x plus 5 at 15. Okay, so r dash x, we all know, is 2x for x squared and 36, 1, 5 no derivative. So r dash at 15 is going to be 6 into 15 plus 36. 6 into 15, it's 90 plus 36, 126. Whether 126 is there with us? Yes. So it's the option D. That's all. So that finishes our exercise 6.1. Next video we come with the next exercise, that is increasing decreasing function. Another very important application for further mathematics and for the board exams also. Thank you.